everybody, you are watching I Got It. My name is Chi and I am standing in the middle of the rainforest right here at the Penang National Park, Malaysia. Look at this. I just love it when I'm away from the crowded city, you know? No noise, no pollution, and the air. The air is just so amazingly fresh. But what is it about the air that makes it so fresh? And why is the rainforest so important to us? That is exactly what we are going to find out.
Ada. Pernah masuk hutan tak sebelum ni?
Belum. Kita nak pergi mana ni, Ma?
Okay, sekarang
This is Mr. Cosmos. He is an expert on rainforest. Today, he guides Shafika, Fazlan and Shafira and explains to them everything about the rainforest.
agak mencabar, tapi kita nak hati-hati lah dengan langkah kita.
Rainforest consists mostly of big, huge trees, and some reach a height of more than 40 meters. Their trunks are big and it takes about 80 to 100 years to grow to this size. This buttress measures 5 meters in circumference. Now that's really big.
Dalam 50 tahun lebih.
Lebih kurang 80 kaki tinggi.
Besar pokok ni, tinggi.
Together, the leaves of the trees form a large and thick canopy which the sunlight can barely get through. That's why it's quite dark down on the ground. Trees and other plants grow under several layers of canopy. There are upper and lower canopies. When some big old trees die, the smaller young trees will grow quickly to cover the space where the sunlight is. Tropical rainforests exist on nearly every continent. Like a belt, they grow along the equator from the Amazon in America to Borneo in Malaysia. And amazingly, it is home to many kinds of plants and animals. Most animals either live at the top of the trees or hide themselves, like this frog. You can hardly see it. There are mammals, reptiles, insects, birds, and many other unique species of plants and flowers. On the whole, there are more plants and animals living in the rainforest than in any other place on Earth. And if you observe in silence, you can easily spot a butterfly, like this one. But if you make a noise, then off he goes. And a lot of these species only exist here. They cannot be found anywhere else. Finally, the children see a group of monkeys playing. According to Mr. Cosmos, a lot of these species only exist here. In a tropical rainforest, it rains almost every day. Now this makes the forest floor damp and slippery. And like a big sponge, plants in the forest absorb and keep the rainwater. But when the sun heats up the air, the water evaporates, and this is the way the plants give the water back to the air. New clouds then develop from the vapor and they will bring rain. Now let's see another important role of the rainforest. In the air, there is this gas called carbon dioxide. It is harmful for humans and the environment. So leaves of trees and other green plants absorb this harmful gas and convert it into oxygen, which is released back into the air. Wow! It's amazing, right, what the rainforest can do for us? But you see, it's not just important for us humans, but even more so to the animals, because the rainforest is their home. So the animals need the leaves for food, and also the trees as shelter and even as their playground. One example of an animal that lives in the rainforest is the orang-utan. I think they're one of the cutest creatures on earth. So let's find out more about this amazing and interesting animal. Orang-utan belong to the great ape family. To know if an animal is an ape or a monkey, just look at the tail. Monkeys have tail, but apes don't. Let's check. See? No tail. This is definitely an ape. Orang-utan are the only apes that live in Asia and can be uniquely found in tropical rainforests. They normally build their nest high up on the treetop. They can walk, but prefer swinging from tree to tree. They have long and strong arms, twice as long as their legs. This enables them to move swiftly from one branch to another. The orang-utan is the largest animal to live on trees and the most intelligent mammal other than men. This is a little baby orang-utan. He is 6 months old. He is learning to swing under the watchful eyes of his mother. The mother will normally nurse the baby until it is old enough to look for its own food. In a distance, the father will be on guard to ensure his harem is not disturbed by other males. Orang-utan loves eating fruits and eats more than 300 types of fruits. During the day, they spend time eating and resting. Isn't it amazing, the life of orang-utans? I think they're cute. You know what? They need the rainforest as their home. But not only them, other animals and even plants need it as well. But you see, the problem is we are losing this rainforest, more and more of it every time. Why? Because of different reasons. On one hand, we've got natural causes, which is forest fires, and also us, humans. We too contribute to the problem by felling trees. But then again, we can't stop cutting down the trees because we need the wood, to make papers and furnitures. But at the same time, we need to conserve the rainforest for future generations. So what do? Simple. What we take, we give back. Easy as that. Ibrahim, Ashrawin, and Mariam have been good friends since they are members of the environmental club called Tree Theatre Group. They always spend their weekends together. They love the green and nature and want to make the earth a healthy place to live in.
By doing this, we will have more oxygen and less carbon dioxide. We also get to promote biodiversity.
Right now, I think in the world, about 71,000 hectares of trees are being cut down, and forests are cleared, and habitats are lost. And the importance of trees is a lot, especially for us human beings, as for all life on Earth. It provides oxygen, provides shade, and creates new ecosystems and biodiversity in places like this, the forest, which really needs it.
Well, there you go. That's why I think it's really, really important why we should help keep the rainforest. Because we must not lose the beautiful and wonder of nature. So why don't we all do our part and help green the earth and save the forest? I'm gonna start right now. Until we meet again in another episode of I Got It, my name is Chi. Bye-bye. Okay. I think that's deep enough. Here goes. Wow, I just planted a tree.